Okay, I'd also like to outline the SUV application process facilitated by Trustiics and in collaboration with Caresu and the immigration lawyers. So the entire process is designed to be the systematic and supportive. So in the preparation phase, which is the first phase, the process begins with the client's first meeting with Trustiics, where initial information are collected. This step is crucial for a tailored approach. And following the meeting, Trustiics conduct a one-on-one preliminary assessment of your eligibility. From week one, the client signs a service agreement with Trustiics to formalize the engagement, and assistance is provided by Trustiics to help the client complete their profile. In week 2 to 4, the client will receive coaching on business plan preparation. The client drafts their business plan, which is then refined through feedback from Trustiics. In the next few weeks, the clients will be introduced to Caresu for initial screening, and the business plan will be polished with input from Caresu and Trustiics. Clients will be rehearsing their business pitch and receive our feedback. So in the next phase, we aim to obtain the letter of support. But to do that, we need the clients to present their business plan at the Caresu forum. And then the business plan will be revised based on the feedback from Caresu forum. And an in-depth review session will be conducted with Caresu to help you to revise your business plan. And then between week 12 to 20, Caresu conducts due diligence of the business projects with support from Trustiics. The client will incorporate the business in Canada, and the client should have passed their language proficiency test at this point. And then investment terms are finalized with Caresu, and legal consultation and the application preparations will also kickstart at this point. So ideally, by week 21, the letter of support will be issued by Caresu and submitted to the IRCC. Then the final phase will be the immigration application. So in week 22 to 28, Trustiics arranges immigration lawyer for clients, and the client will prepare their family immigration materials with the lawyer's guidance. And hopefully by week 28, the family immigration application will be submitted by the lawyers. And if the principal applicant wants to apply for work permit to come to Canada earlier, this will also be handled by the immigration lawyers. So in 18 to 36 months, depending on the IRCC's processing time, the client will receive confirmation of their permanent resident status. So eventually, the client and their family will land in Canada, and continued support will be provided by Caresu and Trustiics to ensure a smooth transition and settlement.